Imagine waking up every single morning, rushing around to get ready for work, and having to manually pull, twist, and fight with a dozen different window cords just to let some natural light into your home. Or worse, having to walk room to room at night shutting every single blind just to get some basic privacy. If you are ready to completely automate your home's lighting, save on your monthly energy bills, and add a touch of futuristic luxury to your daily routine, you have to see this. We're checking out the ultimate smart home upgrade, the SwitchBot Smart Electric Motorized Blinds Kit 3-Pack. This isn't your standard, ordinary smart blind system that forces you to throw away your expensive existing window treatments and spend thousands on custom installations. This is an ingenious, retrofitted automation system engineered to slip directly inside your existing horizontal blinds, instantly converting them into fully automated, voice-controlled smart blinds in just a matter of minutes. What makes this particular SwitchBot 3-Pack an absolute game-changer for modern homes is its advanced light sensing control. Using built-in environmental sensors, these smart motors can actually detect the brightness level of the sun. You can set them to automatically close during the hottest hours of the summer afternoon to block out intense heat, drastically lowering your AC bill, or program them to tilt open slightly at dawn to serve as a natural, gentle alarm clock. Because this kit includes a 2.4G Wi-Fi hub, it seamlessly bridges your blinds to your favorite smart assistants, giving you effortless voice control via Alexa, Google Home, and Siri shortcuts. You can use the unlimited group control feature in the app to create custom schedules, allowing you to close every blind on the first floor with a single tap, or just say, "Alexa, set the living room to 50%, without ever getting up from the couch. But what I love most is how completely hands-off the maintenance is. SwitchBot designed these with an eco-friendly solar power system. By attaching the included sleek solar panels directly to the inside of your window pane, the motors constantly trickle charge themselves using ambient daylight. You never have to worry about running messy extension cords down your walls or taking the units down to charge them. Plus, it comes with a dedicated physical remote control, ensuring that guests, kids, or anyone without a smartphone can still adjust the room's shading perfectly. Whether you have high, hard-to-reach windows that are a pain to adjust, want to protect your expensive furniture and flooring from harsh UV fading, or just want to create the ultimate automated movie theater vibe in your living room, it completely transforms your home environment. If you are ready to stop sacrificing your time to tedious manual window cords and upgrade to a truly automated, energy-efficient smart home, click the link below for the best price available right now. Trust me, your home and your peace of mind will thank you.